කටු හෙන්නේ මිට වගේ රූප රැගේ ආදරේ ඇය එන්නේ නෑ අනේ ඇගේ භූමි දෙල් මොලේ Oh she'll never come right again She got kerosene all in her brain She'll never come right, she'll never come right She'll never come right again කොළඹ පුරවරේ බෝයි වැඩට කොළු පැටියෙක් ආකතන්දරේ ලක්ෂණ නෝනගේ බේබිව එල්ලගෙන කරේ පුංචි එකා නලවනවා බෑකරච්චලේ බේබි අඬනවා බේබිගේ මමී රවනවා බෝයි අඬනවා ගමට යන්න හදනවා පොඩි එකාම නලව ගන්න මෙහෙම කියනවා එපා බේබි අඬන්න මම සින්දු කියනවා Like I told you, this happened in the Bambalapitiya Flats, my friend's house. As was the normal habit those days, when you needed some domestic help, you went up country. And you brought a young person to help out in the household duties. So this time from Talwakale or Unawatano, no, Talwakale is up country. They brought this young lad, a very smart young lad, to look after the baby. So to keep the baby, oops, the baby fell. To keep the baby happy, this young man learnt a couple of lines of a song just to keep the baby happy, and he sang it like this. He says, Galu pare tar dala basu tyanawa Lori tyanawa Hare lapi tyanawa Galu pare tar dala bicycle yanawa Hare ogla yanawa Hare api tyanawa A few months went by and this young man learned some English because the lady and the gentleman of the house spoke English all the time. So he did a straight parivartane. Okay. I don't know where I get the words from. And he sang it like this. He says, Gold road, taxi is putting, bus is also going. Are lorry is also going. Are taxi also going. Gold road, taxi is putting, bicycle also going. You are also going. Are we are also going. කටු හැන්දේ මිට වගේ රූප රැගේ ආදරේ ඇය එන්නේ නෑ අනේ ඇගේ භූමි දෙල් මොලේ Oh she'll never come right again She got kerosene all in her brain She'll never come right, she'll never come right She'll never come right again පොල් කටු හැන්දේ මිට වගේ රූප රැගේ ආදරේ ඇය එන්නේ නෑ අනේ ඇගේ භූමි දෙල් මොලේ Oh she'll never come right again She got kerosene all in her brain She'll never come right, she'll never come right, she'll never come right again. Thank you. Thank you very much.